All right, so I'm here with Creuset with their new non-stick line. Look how gorgeous this bad boy is. I'm super excited. I'm actually gonna do a little shrimp stir fry today. This is the kind of recipe that's actually kind of easy, where you just go to the farmer's market or the grocery store, pick out all the beautiful, bright vegetables that you like, customize it to your taste. You can do chicken, tofu, anything. I'm actually using shrimp today. I've got about a pound, but depending on how many you serve. I'm also doing some really beautiful little baby peppers, bright color, really sweet. I've got broccoli, I've got zucchini, I've got little snap peas, which are growing in my garden right now. The zucchini is growing in my garden, and some really beautiful green onions. And we're doing kind of a Korean spin on it. We're gonna use a Korean red chili paste. We're using the gochujang. It's got a little honey in it. It has a little sesame oil in it. It has a little soy, a little mirin, and it also has a little ginger, garlic. It's really kind of beautiful. It brightens up the vegetables. But again, stir fry sauce is kind of a personal thing. So you can kind of, have fun with it on your own. All right, so first we're gonna do is we're actually gonna cook our shrimp. And we're gonna get that done. I'm just gonna add a little sesame oil to this beautiful nonstick pan. And shrimp doesn't take that long to cook, so that's why I'm gonna do that first and then put it off to the side. What's great about a nonstick pan like this is that you really actually don't need to use a lot of oil. I use a little more sesame oil just for flavor, but you actually don't need to. If you're watching your figure and trying to cut back a little bit on the oil, this is the perfect kind of pan to use for this kind of recipe. So you want to cook these until just opaque, so they're about ready. I'm going to season them with a little salt and pepper and then take them out. So now we're going to move on to the vegetables. Again, I don't think I mentioned this, but I usually have it on like a medium high. You want it pretty hot for a stir fry. All right, so I'm going to take my broccoli. All right. And we're going to take the zucchini. And these are the vegetables that take just a little bit longer to cook down. All right, so you want to cook these vegetables so they're slightly browned and slightly softened. You still want a little bit of that kind of crunch to them, so you don't want to overdo them. So now I'm going to add my snap peas, which my kids love, and my red peppers. Those going. Oh, look how bright and beautiful that is. And then we've got our green onions. And that adds a lot of nice flavor. This nonstick is amazing. Now that my vegetables are done, add the shrimp back in. And then we're going to add that beautiful Korean style stir fry sauce to it. Get it all nice and coated. At this point, I'm going to turn down the heat a little. This is so beautiful. It is so sweet and savory. It's gorgeous, and look at that color. It has heat, but not a ton of heat, and that's what I love about it. And you just mix it up. It's so beautiful and bright. Lots of flavor, you can even smell. It's so amazing. And just a little bit of the white sesame seeds just kind of brightens it up and makes it complete. That is a gorgeous stir fry. I don't know about you, but I'm gonna do it right.